So this is gonna be a quick little video, nothing too spectacular, nothing too, special, but I've been getting a lot of questions. Seabass, can you make a quick little video on how to wire up Lexus ES330 bighorns? So if you're not familiar with the horns of our cars, Matrixes, Corolla Celicas, we have this little dinky horn. It sounds really boring, or it sounds really dumb. So yeah, I'll give you guys a little catch or little sound clip. So you get that little beep 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 beep, and then over here yo, that's great, man. I love this mod. This is like one of my top 10 like under $10 or like under $20 mods. You can get these from the junkyard for like about 10 bucks. It's really simple to wire up. What I ended up doing was, this is my wire. So this wire, the black one, that's my original one for my stock horn. It uses the same plugs. So all I did was pretty much just cut into the original wire, and I tapped into it, used electrical tape to cover it up. Then that wire goes into the second horn. Voila. It is extremely simple, and all I did was, for the second horn, all I did was just bolt it up to where the hood latch is at. You can see, don't mind the rust. This was an Illinois vehicle for the first half of its life. And then the second one, I have it where the original mounting point was at. So these are ES330 horns. Pretty much almost every Lexus that I know has this style of horn, but the brackets are different between Lexus models. This is the ES330. It has the extended bracket. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I forgot what Lexus I took it out of. I think the RX. No, it was an early model ES, like a 97 or something. It had the horn like under the headlight right here, so it had a different style bracket, which was a little bit shorter compared to these much longer ones from the ES300 from like a what year was this? This was like a 2003 and up ES300, like that second generation, the third generation, I believe. I'll go ahead and put all the information in the description. If you guys do want to purchase some of these horns from me, I'll be more than happy to go get some from the junkyard and ship them out to you guys. DM me on Instagram. I can get you guys set up. I can mail them out to you with the harness, and it's incredibly simple. It gets power from that wire, and it grounds itself from the chassis of the vehicle, or the frame of the vehicle, I should say. So incredibly simple, easy little mod. You don't want the beep beep, you want the honk honk. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll make sure to make some more Corolla videos in the near future, because we're gonna go to the Thunderhill track on November 26th of this year. So that's gonna be in a couple of days. So we need to get the Corolla track ready. So I got a couple of videos headed your guys' way. TRD rear sway bar, replacement of the rotors and pads on my Woolwood brakes, new tires. Gonna do an alignment. What else? Oh, motor mount, and a big one, power steering hoses, because look at that. Oh geez, I am leaking a lot of power steering fluid. So my new video is gonna be replacing this hose and that hose right there. FYI, these style of clamps are trash. Make sure to get OEM ones. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. This is a great little mod, as I said. I cannot be any more happier. Since I daily drive my Corolla, everyone's gonna hear me down the street. See you guys. Take care.